cost list, item number 1.
Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 6, I filed the counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, we would like to file a rejoinder. We kindly pray for 2 weeks' time.
The state has filed its.
I have filed the affidavit on the 30th of March. Prior to the
Have you filed a rejoinder to the state's affidavit?
No, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will be filing a rejoinder. That's the instructions I got.
Mr. H. Nuklau, learned counsel for the respondent 6, has submitted that the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent has been filed, copies of which have been also given to the other parties. Ms. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to file his rejoinder to the said counter affidavit filed by both the state respondent and also the respondent number 6. As prayed for, the same is allowed. List this matter with 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 2. number 3.
Lordship, this matters with regard to the two schools. So this is the third round of litigation, and in this present round, there are 12 affidavits being filed. So, Your Lordship, this matter is a little bit complicated. Mr. Paul is required to be here for this matter, Your Lordship, and in the meantime, he's on next before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Two 2014 matter.
Your Lordship.
This is that school, that Rajawala school.
No, Your Lordship. Rajpur Girls Upper Primary School.
So we'll take it up after 1 week then. He will be here by then.
Next week, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'll take a date from the benches. Then, if he's here, I'll give that date as per his availability.
We'll keep it.
Your Lordship.
Submission has been made on behalf of the Leonard Senior Counsel, Mr. K. Paul, who is said to be indisposed and could not appear for the court today. On premiere, the same is allowed. List this matter up to 1 week.
Highly obliged.
Item number 4.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may come day after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Mr. Paul,
Mr. Paul is out of station, Your Lordship.
day after.
Day after tomorrow?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Look after a week, day after, because the previous counsel, junior made a submission, is on legs in Supreme Court. Next week,
Today he's on legs. Tomorrow he'll sit and watch the proceedings. Day after tomorrow he'll sleep there and then he'll come.
And Lordship, just recollect, this case is a very interesting case. DP regarding the jailbreak matter, superannuation, everything happened. This has got a stay order on the basis of vacating in the quarters.
Okay. Quarter?
We had a long hearing, and after that we could never finish the hearing.
2015.
Small issues involved there. The findings and all that. They were retired, they got pension, everything.
Yes. So he is still holding on to the quarter?
Based on the court's order.
That's ridiculous.
We thought the matter would be heard, at least the interim order could have been vacated. Then on merit, they could have gone on for years. No matter, let them adjourn the case. So at least, Lordship, next day, if possible,
Yes, we have to.
the interim part. And then Lordship will say this matter is of 2015.
Exactly.
Lordship has made so many endeavour to finish it over, something keeps coming. We'd heard at length, and on that issue, the matter was adjourned. So Lordship will just make an endeavour next week.
Please. Same order. Go to boy.
Oblige.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 5.
May I please, Your Lordship? My senior counsel is on legs before the other court. Can it come after the vote?
Your Lordship, I'm praying that this matter may be taken after 1 week.
Why?
The conducting counsel is appearing in Nongport inquiring matter today. It's fixed today.
Prayer is made on behalf of the senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, seeking adjournment on the ground of his inability to appear before the court today on the same not being objected to by respondent. Prayer is allowed. This is matter after 1 week.
Highly obliged.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, 5 and 6 are connected matters.
5, 6 same order.
Highly be attached.
And 7 also that.
7?
7 also that will come after the vote.
End of the vote. 7 end of the vote.
Item number 8.
Lordship, this is that review matter, Lordship. Records have been called, Lordship. Day after tomorrow, Lordship will produce.
Why is record required?
Lordship, so as to ascertain that the respondent was not appointed as the principal at that point of time, Lordship.
That is all this argument, it is not coming in the review petition, my lord. And
But
moreover,
that will be
every time they
vital,
are
my lord.
changing the
Just
junior and
let him
taking
finish.
But that will, my lord, will
What
be
is
required.
what is your stand here in review?
What had happened, by the order of the Honorable Court, both the parties had produced their appointment letter. Now, Honorable Court was not able to decide which was genuine. Therefore, the service record was being called, which is not before your lordship.
But even then, you see, even then, how if it is? Let's put it this way: one certificate may be genuine, the other may be a fake one. But how can this court determine?
Exactly.
Those are matter of evidence,
Evidence.
matter of forensic examination.
Facts, yes.
So disputed facts.
Yes, and moreover, if it is false, my lord, why they have not filed this FIR? Then matter will be closed.
That's a different thing.
It is
But
not.
since-
Only thing that you see you know very well what you see what is the scope of review.
Yes, my lord.
Only if there's an error apparent in the face of the record,
Yes.
Also, my lord,
and also if some facts which are required to be brought before the court, which would decide the outcome of the list, has not been brought, then.
Yes, my lord.
But then, you see, question of verifying of certificate is not upon this court to do so.
But as it is, since his senior is not here, so lordship.
we'll try to produce, my lord, the records by day after tomorrow. And if the matter can be taken up next week.
Who is here in this case? Mr. Paul.
Mr. Paul.
So 1 week. Near 1 week. No? See.
Item number 9.
Your Lordship, in this case, against this additional affidavit, I just filed my scheduled reply today, sir.
Additional affidavit? Who has filed it?
They filed the additional affidavit. In this, I filed reply. I'll be filing today.
Matter of
because it is
question of law.
Yeah, question of law. Then what is there?
Can it be approved next week, Your Lordship, if you need it?
There are also other respondents.
Lordship, it may become for admission hearing actually.
We'll dispose it off at this stage. But the parties have to be present. I believe there are also some other respondents who have not appeared.
Some respondents not appeared, but they received notices.
They have received.
They received. I have filed affidavit in this regard also, Lordship. And there is a prayer for interim order also. That is why admission hearing is required.
Yes. What is the impute order?
Impute order is regarding judgment and decree passed by the subordinate district council court, Lordship. It is in age.
Or it has gone for execution?
They have already executed.
Already executed?
Yes, Lordship.
What is left? What is left?
I have filed these revision petitions, Lordship, not an appeal, because I know it is a settled question of law that against the order of this court, an appeal lies. But when there is some patent errors in this case, then the revision also lie. In this regard, there is several judgment of this Honorable Supreme Court also. That is why I have not filed this appeal. It is a revision under 227 of the Constitution, which is incorporated in the Meghalaya High Court rules also, Lordship.
That, of course, that is there.
Yes, Lordship. And I have also shown some of the fraud committed by the respondent as plaintiff. In one case, they have appeared. In this case, that the main patadar died, and subsequently in another court, he has filed vakalatnama.
Okay.
There is a
So what do you wish to file, Mr. Depnat?
No,
Because-
I have filed today. I've been given the copy. This against the additional affidavit file. It is I've replied.
regarding question of law, whether village court against the order of village court or decision of the village court and appeal lies, they have filed a suit.
Yes, you say that they should have been preferred, in the
Yes.
first instance before the village court.
That is a
But they have,
nullity.
but they have
When-
come directly to the district council court.
Yes, Lordship. That is the nullity. When there is no jurisdiction, if the courts below have passed any order, it is a nullity in the eye of law. In this regard, there is a decision of the Honorable Apex Court also.
It is,
When there is a
it is
nullity-
in this case, whatsoever my learned friend said. Now, first of question will come up whether petitioner having the locus standi in this case, because she is the stranger in this matter. She was not the party in this case in the lower court. Another aspect of matters as regard to this village court, you will see if the parties is separate, residing in a separate village, and then village court is not required to be entered in any petition. So in this situation, this court was right to pass the order. So this will be my submission, because Administrative Justice Rule 1953, Rule
Yes,
18 will
Lordship.
cover, I think.
They have filed.
Rule 30 is here. So you see on this matter, let me fix up and then I'll be producing this.
Yes, who are you?
I have,
because the
by this order, I have been evicted from this my possession of the property. That is why I am affected party. I have legal right over the
Why you have,
property.
you have not,
At that time, I did not
you have
know.
not joined issues before the trial court?
No, I did not know about the. After execution, I came to know there is a court on 15/10/2019 when she was evicted from the property. Then also she came to know about there is a case after obtaining certified copy of the orders from Honorable Learned Court below.
Okay.
That is why she has come. And during the pendency of the case, defendant number 1 was expired. And but the Learned Court below proceeded the case when she has Learned Court below has stated that this suit is abated. After abatement of the suit, without following provision of law, how the Honorable Learned Court below passed an order setting that passed a decree, judgment and decree.
But see, madam, you should realize that before the district council court.
No, district council court, but when the initial is bad, that jurisdiction is bad, how I will come to appeal? I have not filed this revision petition for reappreciating the evidence. Only I have raised the point that it is without jurisdiction. When there is a without jurisdiction, then the 227 under lies.
Because that is settled. So how long, Mr. Depnat? 1 week? You decide on a mutual date?
On 16th of May, Lordship. Before that, I have some difficulty. 16th of May. For admission hearing or hearing, Lordship?
For hearing. We'll take it up for hearing. Because
Yes.
since you have already filed your affidavit, Mr. R. Depnat, Learned Counsel for the respondent number. Respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. has submitted that the respondent herein has responded to the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, and the same is brought on record. Where is it, Mr.? When did you file?
This today I just sent this. It is
You have not filed?
I already given the copy. I have supplied the copy.
You know, and the same has been filed only today. It is therefore prayed that this matter may be posted for hearing on the next date, may be finally heard on the next date fixed. As prayed for. As prayed for by the parties, list this matter on 16th May.
Second call, item number 7.
You're here, this case?
So it come after 2 weeks.
2016.
This is the matter, similar matters, one judgment passed by this court. So I have to go through this one and take the instruction. If it is covered with the matter, then it will be over. Otherwise.
What is the subject matter?
Subject matter regarding the pay.
Pay.
MSCP.
Oh,
Consideration MSCP. And this court is passed on order, but I have to see this one whether it will cover this one.
Petitioner is absent. However, Mr. R. Devnath, Leonard CGC, has submitted that this matter may be posted for hearing after 2 weeks. On premier, the same is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Anything else?
Lordship, I seek your indulgence, my lord, to file a mention memo for a matter to be listed, if possible today, if not today, then tomorrow. It was a matter that was listed yesterday. Through inadvertence, my lord, the interim order was not extended after yesterday. So, as on date today, we don't have an interim order in our favor, my lord.
With regard to what's the matter that
my lord, magistrate in Longpo had drawn up 133.
Yeah, that 133.
Yes,
but I think your colleague was there.
My colleague was there, my lord.
That paragraph 9 is very
Lordship, actually, looking at the live stream later, I see that Mr. Khalid Khan, appearing for the respondents, had impressed upon this court that there was no date mentioned in the order, but there is a date mentioned. If I'll just read the one line, it is provided that the authorities will not take any coercive action against the petitioner and the tenants under him in the said location until the next date. So until yesterday. So as on starting today, we don't have any interim order in our favor, my lord. So
that should have been, you should have pointed out.
It's completely our fault, my lord. I sincerely apologize for that. It should have been canvassed better before, my lord. But the senior counsel made that submission. So based on that,
that's what the
based on that possibly
the court is also of the
yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
There's no fixed.
So some indulgence is required, my lord. Either today or tomorrow, whatever is convenient, my lord. Today we are at the end of lordship's list, so if tomorrow is convenient.
Tomorrow.
Obliged.